ladies and gentlemen, so we are standing out here because we want to talk about raising the salaries of officials to reduce the level of corruption. My name is Grace. As a pro side of this conversation,
And I'm Suhanda Livia Pasaribu as a contra side of the statement.
okay, let's talk about this topic. Who doesn't want a high salary? Who doesn't want a decent life? Surely, everyone wants a decent life. Me too. However, the more affluent life, the more high salary, there is a problem of corruption in Indonesia, especially high-ranking officials. And I thought in this era and in much era, corruption is a problem that never ends till now. In our country, Indonesia, various ways have been done to reduce the level of corruption that exists in Indonesia, that exists in our beloved country, Indonesia. And one of them is by number one of my thought is decent standard of living. It is with educated of salaries, officials can meet their living needs without having to seek additional unauthorized source of income. Officials who have a good standard of living tend to be more satisfied with their jobs and thus have higher motivation to work professionally. This quality of work can reduce their desire to seek additional benefits through corruption practice, as financial pressure is often the main reason behind corrupt act. We know that officials have volunteered their time. Officials have volunteered their energy in maintaining the balance of this country. So for a salary increase, it decent life for officials is certainly reasonable and of course necessary, considering the officials are part of the balance of this country.
Okay, I disagree with your statement because raising the salary of officials to reduce the level of corruptions will not necessarily solve the deep root problem. Corruption is a challenge that has long plagued our country. Corruption is considered to have become a culture caused by a weak system and lack of strict law enforcement. Without improvements in these aspects, salary increases only provide a temporary and ineffective solutions. Corruption is often more related to morality and system than just financial issues. So, in my opinion, increasing the salary of officials is not the right solution. I have several reasons, such as by increasing the salary of officials, it will create injustice in society. The ineffectiveness of the performance of officials and burden the state budgets. So the first is with raising the salary of officials in the hope that they can make ends meet without having to look for additional sources of income can be social inequitable, especially when compared to civil servants in other sectors or private sector workers who also work hard but do not get similar salary increases. This could lead to social jealousy and discontent in the community, and this will lead to a new problems.
Okay, in I understand your point of view. I understand your concern, but we'll look back that the part of government, they have their time, they have their energy for us the people, for us the, we can say, in every ministry that the government has become. But with an increased salary, it becomes more increased professionalism. With better salaries, it is expected the officials will work more professionally and, of course, commit to high work ethic. So that in that way, many people could many people could wanted to be a part of the professionalism in the government. So with this way, it can be improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the public service. I thought that way.
Okay, so with a salary increases, as you mentioned,
Yes.
it is hope that officials can work better.
Yes, of course.
So I disagree with this because, in my opinion, a salary increase cannot change a person's work ethics.
Okay.
So if someone has low integrity or does not have the principle of professionalism, then a salary increase will not be able to make him suddenly become a better worker or change his work ethic.
But yes, okay, I understand. But the third way is stringent governments. Competitive salary will attract people with higher qualification. We know that the salary, the income is the same as the qualification that had in that person. And the higher integrity with the higher qualification is same with the income. And to work in government, it is fine. It's okay. I thought even the civil servant government could have many more facilities, like a school of their child, like a car or etc. And we know that these strangers governments through the competence human resource who work with integrity and efficiency.
Okay, so the third reason why I disagree with this statement is with a significant increases in official salaries, it will be burn the state budget.
Okay.
Budgets that could have been used for infrastructure development, education, and health services are instead allocated for salary increases. So this can have a negative impact on other sectors that also require funds.
Okay, therefore, it can be concluded for increasing the salaries of official can be a way to reduce corruption. It is?
Yes, I agree. But it's not the main and effective way to reduce the level of corruption.
Yes.
Because there are many things that must be considered, such as the need for a comprehensive approach and strict supervision for various parties. So that the end of our debate. So thank you for your attention and see you. Bye bye.